Hey, thanks for joining me again. Today I am sharing with you my thoughts about the Timex Expedition Shock Watch. It retails for 60 bucks right now. I've seen it for more than that at other times. I've been using these Timex watches between these Expedition ones and the Ironman ones for a number of years now. And overall, I really like them, especially these Expedition ones over the Ironman ones. Mainly because the Expedition comes with 3 alarms, and I find that to be helpful for me. Few key features to note about it. First thing you'll see is it's got a nice big number display, so if you have a hard time seeing the tiny numbers, then it's helpful to have nice big numbers like this. On the display it'll have the time, and it shows the day of the week and the date as well. It's water resistant to 100 meters, so that's very helpful. It has an Indiglow light, so you can see whatever it is on the display in the dark, and you can change it between time, stopwatch, timer, and then you got the 3 different alarms. That's pretty much it about it. There's one downside that I've found about these, and that is from after some time, if like grit or whatnot or dust or I don't know what eventually gets inside these buttons, and then some of these buttons will stop working. So that's kind of a pain when that happens. That's why I ended up getting this new watch, because it happened to my old one. So, but overall, it's a pretty rugged, pretty reliable watch, and I've been quite happy with it. Thanks for watching.